before I say anything, I want make una watch this video.
Fellow Biafrans, I hereby mention the 40 states of the United States of Biafra, Aba State, Adoka State, Afema Igodomigodo, Ahoda, Abakip Oro, Alanso, Aludo, Anioma, Branem, Calabar, Ebonyi, Ebube, Edo Eda, Enugu, Epie, Esan Igodomigodo, Esani, Iden Igodomigodo, Idun Ibon, Igala State, Ibani State, Ika State, Ikemba State, Ikom State, Ikwimisia State, Itayanan, Iwere State, Iwuroha State, Odumegu State, Obuya State, Ogoja State, Ohabuenyi State, Ohuku State, Okigwe State, Omambala State, Olu State, Owerri State, Kwa State, South Atlantic State, Uroba Isoko State. Welcome to the 40 states of the United States of Biafra.
Listen, let me tell you people something. I don't understand what our Igbo brothers are doing in this in this Biafra struggle. I don't understand. Every day, Benin and Biafra, Akwa Ibom and Biafra, this one and Biafra, this one and Biafra. People that you are saying that they are part of Biafra, they say they don't need you. Why are you forcing yourself into that? I'm not happy for all this thing. This thing look like childish. I saw the comment of people, all the Benis, they say they are not Biafra. Akwa Ibom people, the same thing. All this cross reef and all this, they say they know be Biafra. Why are you forcing yourself to them? Why? The 5 states is okay for us. We should stop disgracing ourselves in this country. We should stop. I'm speaking it in English so that every tribe will hear them. I'm supposed to speak this in Igbo language, but I want to speak them so that everybody will hear what I'm saying. When I don't declare all the states, all the Biafras, all the states where they're inside the Biafra, not only these 5 states, Anambra, Imo, Abia, Ebonyi, and Enugu, they no complain. But other people where you call, they say they no be Igbo, they no be Biafra. Then why are you people forcing yourself? Marriage is not by force. If you want to marry somebody and that person said to you, I don't want you, leave that person, go and look for another person. They said they no be Biafra. Why are you forcing yourself, calling their name? They are the part of Biafra. If they put referendum, say okay, or Biafras, make gonna do referendum, these people will make us to fail, because only these 5 states we support Biafra. All of them will vote against Biafra. We go fail the referendum. And you are talking about the referendum. If they put referendum right now for Biafra, only 5 states will support Biafra. Other states one they call, they said they no be Biafra, then go vote against Biafra, and we go fail for the referendum we people are talking about. Why are you people forcing them? They said they no be Biafra. They said they don't want you. Even this is at home where we are doing in this east, because of Mazen and the Kano. Everyone is at home everywhere. How many one day Bini market go there, River State, all these Calabas everywhere. One day they are doing business because they are not part of all these things we are doing here. Why are you forcing them? They said they no be Biafra. Why are you forcing them? Leave them for Nigeria. 5 states is okay for the Igbos. We are not forcing anybody, and you people should stop this thing. You people should stop it. I'm not happy for seeing all these things online. The kind of comment I'm seeing, these people are commenting, insulting Biafra, insulting Igbos, insulting them because they count them that they are one of the Biafra. If you see the comment, I will play the way one Bini girl do. You listen to what he said. If you go for the comment section, you go see how they are insulting Igbos, insulting Biafra. And this Biafra, this thing will be looking like childish. 5 states is okay for us. There are Israel, how many people waiting for Israel? But Israel, they're strong. Even this 5 states is enough. Why are you forcing them? Leave them. I'm not happy for seeing all this thing happening. Don't force them. If they say they are not be part of Biafra, leave them. Let them there on their own. I don't like all those things. That is why I came out to do this video.
So yesterday, some group of persons, what they call USB, they say their name na USB. They can't declare their country. inside another person's country. They declared their USB inside Finland. They were inside Finland. They can't declare USB. So, wetin come funny me pass we say Finland get countries or states like Igodo. I can't hear Igodo inside. Igodo, Eden, and that Eden I pay me pass on. I know Eden Okpoko. Eden, the woman who gave herself to restore Benin Kingdom. They come mention her name, say Eden State, Igodo. Afema Igodo. Esa Igodo. Finland still get state that they call Esa, call Afema for Finland. Now somebody come tell me say no, say now our neighbors, our people way they east. Now then go declare their country for inside another man country. In fact, they left Nigeria to go and declare their United States of Biafra, and then be the meaning of USB for another man country, which is not, it's against the law. Or is it that these people don't know what the law entails in every country? You can't declare a country inside another country. You declare a country inside your country. Okay, you want to leave Nigeria, you're supposed to declare in Nigeria, not to declare in another man's country. But that is none of our business. My business is this. When are our neighbors going to know that you don't add people forcefully to your agenda? You let them know. Let there be a vote. If we want to join you, we can join. But we are not joining you. We can never be part of that, what they call Biafra. Because before your Biafra, there was a country called the Benin Kingdom. It's on all the map, all the oldest map in the world. There is Benin Kingdom there, but I don't see yours there. It's there. So I don't see the reason why you can't add us joining waiting not make sense. I have a monarch who is our God King. We have a governor, Mondo Bevolo. We have deputy, we have speaker, we have a lot of dignitaries. Who did you consult before adding us to your Biafra country? Madam, I'm asking you because you were shouting. Why are you even shouting? I want to name the name, what is the Biafra? Madam, calm down. Who is fighting with you? Why are you shouting? Why are you shouting to call the state in your country, your online country? It's unfortunate that some of you are not seeing the wrong in what these people are doing. You just choose to keep quiet, just to I don't know how to put it, just to keep quiet as if say nothing they go on, whereas a lot of things are going on. You can't put people into your country. We are not part of you. Yeah. The last time I checked, we are not part of. We are Benin Kingdom. Kingdom of Benin. The Kingdom of Benin, the one who stretched up down to Ghana. Yeah. The one who had borders with Abyssinia. Kingdom of Benin. The empire. Benin Empire. We are. Even if say British don't come make una look like say una important. Una not important. Yeah. British did a lot of damage to us. British, you guys did a lot. You destroyed my country. Yeah. You did. So please, I'm here to come and tell you USB. I won't give your country name, they give an USB. I just say when they say USB, I can't say a code. If say a code. USB. I don't say which one be USB again? Only for me to come to say na United States of Biafra. Hey, yeah. Congratulations to you guys. But please, can you remove the names of our states, our place from your country? We don't want to be part of it. Or is it by force? I'm gonna shift journal today, make noise.
We have heard of all the grievances that have been read here today. The untold hardship of our people that they have gone through, the lives that the lives that have been lost, the lives that we are still losing. As a member of Cabinet, I stand here to affirm, on the basis of the grievances and of the referendum, for our forefathers, for this generation, for the next generation to come, I affirm the declaration and restoration of the United States of Biafra.